How to download and install Telegram in laptop. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, open your preferred browser and then search for Telegram web download. Now, open Telegram desktop. Make sure you use it from the official website of Telegram, that is desktop.telegram.org. Now you will see an option of Get Telegram for Windows. If you are using on other versions, tap on portable version and then you will find all the versions of Telegram. And also you will get the version that's directly downloaded that suits in your device. As you can see, the download is being ready. After the file is downloaded, simply install it in your device and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.